Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to bake the favorite biscuits of all time, peanut brownies. This is a very easy and quick recipe and an excellent baking activity that you can do with your children. So we have here in front of us 3 cups of sugar, 375 grams of softened butter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 6 teaspoons of baking powder, 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 eggs, 500 grams of peanuts roasted. I use a blanched peanut and I roast it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. So the instruction will be under the video. And make sure you stir them every 5 minutes to get to this light golden brown color. So let's get started. So firstly, we're going to add in the butter. So the softened butter can be added in. The sugar, and we're just going to beat this until it's fluffy. Now see the color changes, it's light and fluffy here. So now we're going to add in the eggs, 3 eggs, and keep beating until it's all mixed in. Now we're going to take out the cake beater. Next we're going to sift the flour in. 3 cups of flour. Next, we're going to add in the baking powder. And then the cocoa powder. Then we're going to put back the beater. Just going to put it start medium. Just stop it and just scrape down the side. And now we're going to add in the roast peanuts. Continue to mix everything in. Now everything is mixed in. Make sure now you preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. Remove the wrap to the middle of the oven and line your baking tray. So now the biscuit dough is all mixed up. Now we're going to start making the dough into balls and press them all ready to bake in the oven. So using a spoon, we're just going to get a teaspoon of the dough and make it into balls. So we're going to carry on until this is finished. So now the biscuits is all rolled up into ball. What we do is using a fork, we're just going to slowly press it down. Now we're going to leave it in the oven, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until the biscuits are all firm up. So now the biscuits is all baked. As you can see, it's all expanded up. So using a butter knife, we just cut it up. And then we're just going to transfer it to the cooling rack. Just leave it there. So just carry on separating the cookies. Here you go guys, so here's our peanut brownies biscuits. You can store them in airtight container. So we put it in the cooling rack and let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that you just store them in a airtight container, and you can keep for a number of weeks. So we hope you enjoyed today's baking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.